Morning, dears. We have completed exercise 8b and we have learned two theorems that if the sides are equal, then angles opposite to the side are equal, and if the angles are equal, the sides opposite to the angles are also equal. Now the theorem 3 says if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. An example, this is theorem number 3. If ABC is greater than AB, then angle opposite to BC will be greater than angle opposite to AB. The situation, the theorem says this. So angle opposite to BC is angle BAC would be greater than angle opposite to AB is angle BCA. So this angle would be greater than this angle, is it? So opposite, greater side have greater angle opposite to it, and smaller side are having smaller angle opposite to it. That is theorem number 3. Theorem number 4, it says the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Theorem 4, sum of any two sides of a triangle are greater than third side. Is it? This example, if you take any triangle, or here only if I take in triangle ABC, AB plus BC would be greater than AC. Now BC plus AC would be greater than AB, and AB plus AC would be greater than BC. So we have three situations. If we add two sides, it would be always greater than the third side. Then the theorem number 5, it says if all straight lines can be drawn to a given line from a point outside it, the perpendicular is the shortest. Just example, you see, if there is a line, fifth theorem says if there is a line and the lines draw from a point, this example, if I have constructed the lines from A, one is 90 degree, then whatever lines I would be drawing, this would be the shortest. AB, DE, AB would be the shortest line is less than AD, and AD will be less than AE, and AE will be less than AC. Why this is the theorem says, as why it is, just see, if this line angle is 90 degree, so surely these two angles would be less than 90, is it or not? This will be less than 90. So if this is less than 90, this would be more than 90. So now opposite to this angle, we have this side, and opposite to 90 degree, we have this side. So this side is greater than this. Similarly, if this angle is greater than 90, this will be less than 90. So opposite to this side we have in triangle ADE, and opposite to this side I have angle AE. So AD would be smaller than AE. It's based on the theorem number 4 only. But just we can say a line constructed from a point, always the perpendicular is the shortest. How far the line goes, the line would be longer. Okay. Next exercise is based on these three properties, these three theorems. Okay. Now, you see question number 1 from exercise 8C. In a triangle PQR, PQ is produced to S, this PQ is produced to S, so that QS is equal to RQ. Okay, PQR is 60 degree, angle RPQ is 70 degree. Now to prove that PS is greater than RS and PS is greater than PR, given in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 60 degree, angle R is equal to 70 degree, PQ is produced to S such QS is equal to QR. To prove, number 1, PS is greater than RS, and number 2, PS is greater than PR. Now in the solution we see, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 70 degree. 180 degree minus 130 degree. So we are getting this is 50 degree. Now in triangle QSR, angle Q is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. These are forming straight angles. If this is 60, this would be 120 degree. Again, QS is equal to QR. So that's what angle S is equal to angle R is equal to 180 minus 120 by 2. 60 by 2 or 30 degree. So both we are getting 30 degree, 30 degree. Now we have to prove. We can prove now. The first one was PS. Opposite to PS we have angle R. So angle SRP we are getting 70 degree plus 30 degree, 100 degree, and RS is opposite to PS, and in triangle, so therefore in triangle SRP, angle SRP is 70 plus 30, 100 degree, and angle SPR is equal to 50 degree. So therefore we write angle SRP is greater than angle SPR. So therefore PS would be greater than RS. If this PS is opposite to this and PSR is opposite to this, so opposite to greater angle, side will be greater. This is proved. Now again, in triangle, they have asked you to prove the second proof is PS is greater than PR. Again, PS is greater than PR. Again, in triangle PSR, angle PSR is 30 degree and angle SRP is 100 degree. So therefore angle SRP is greater than angle PSR. So PS is greater than PR. Proved. So number 1 is written here. Number 2 is homework. Number 3 onwards, I will be sending you the PDF. Question number 2 is homework. Number 3, I will send you the PDF so you can write it in your copy. For today, you leave it up to you. Thank you, dears.